Okay, next one up, lovely Ducati Multistrada. This is a returning client. I did do this a few months back. He had a full valet with ceramic on it, but he's just come back from a trip all around Europe, so she is covered in bugs, looking a little sad for herself. We're going to give her a good old freshen up. We're going to do a full Monty valet, polish up all your nuts and bolts, bits and pieces, get that exhaust all minted up, and we will re-ceramic these wheels. Probably do a machine polish on that front, as those bugs, it is covered in them. So yeah, let's get cracking. This belly pan off of there so we can have access to that exhaust, get all that minted up. Luckily he's just had a new chain and sprockets fitted just recently, so that won't need too much attention. But let's work a little trot to TLC. Got the belly pan off just so we can make sure to clean every speck of the front of this motor, and we'll get that exhaust all minted up like new again. So let's get a little snow foam on this, see if we can loosen up some of these bugs. Start polishing. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes in. This Ducati Multistrada is coming along nicely. Just detailed all that exhaust up. Look, it's come up like new. Everything's been XCP'd, all the chains been re-lubed, polished up all the end can, even got all the soot off the end there. So now time to put the belly pan back on, and then we'll crack on with a bit of paint polishing. Get this windscreen polished up. Like I said, it's got quite a few ingrained bugs. Looks like got some sort of sticky stuff on there, which I'll remove. Then this bike is done. There you go, 2 hours and 5 minutes on the dot. This Ducati Multistrada has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full Monty valets with a single stage polish just to remove all the bugs. Look at the gloss on that. Everything has been meticulously cleaned, extra XCP brushed onto nuts and bolts. All the exhaust has been polished as you saw previously. XCP all over the motor, end cans polished, all the chains lubed up, ready to go. 2 hours on the dot, ready for another trip around Europe. I put the Ultimax Trimex, which is a ceramic plastic restore, just gets that nice and black, keeps it properly protected. Looking sweet. Time to pack up. I am knackered. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.